Hi everyone and welcome back. I have been going back and forth on how to film this video and I've decided now that I just need to sit down, have a chat and get on with it because grand reveals and things like that just weren't working for me, and to be honest they don't really suit me anyway. So today's video is going to be a little bit different and it feels very special because I have quite a big announcement to share with you, or it feels quite big to me anyway. So after 5 years or even more I think of creating under the name Secret Life of a Seamstress, I am going to be changing my name and rebranding. So when I first started my YouTube channel and my Instagram page under the name Secret Life of a Seamstress, I felt as though it suited me perfectly. It was something that I kind of ran alongside what was at the time my kind of main business, if you like, which was my Etsy shop, Poppy and Primrose. And the Secret Life of a Seamstress was kind of what I did on the side. It was a place to share my dressmaking journey, which I kind of did in my spare time around running my Etsy shop business. I was sharing my obsession with sewing. I was churning out garments at the rate of knots because I was effectively learning how to sew. And I really loved it and I loved sharing that journey with you, and I met some amazing people and got to grow a little community over on Instagram and on here too. But in the last 5 or 6 years, of course, I have grown and changed, and I'm not the same person as I was 5 or 6 years ago now, and nor is my sewing. That isn't the same either. And I'm really feeling as though now I'm kind of shifting from being that person who sewed a garment every week and sort of reviewed the garment with you, shared it online, shared the same pictures, did the same pattern review and all that kind of stuff. And I really now want to sort of develop my sewing to be sharing a little bit more of what I have been sharing with you really over the last few years. I think if you have been following me for a while, you probably have been able to notice that my content has been shifting a little bit into more of the sort of sustainable wardrobe type thing, capsule wardrobes, making use of the patterns that I've already got and making use of the garments that I've already got and getting different outfit combinations with them, sharing my handmade wardrobe and all that kind of stuff. It's not so much just the production of garments, if that makes sense. And to be honest, over the last probably a year or so, I felt a little bit constrained almost by that name, Secret Life of a Seamstress, because it kind of made me feel as though there was a certain type of content that I should be producing. And I think I've known for a while that something has needed to change for me as a person and as a creator as well, but also because I want to be sharing the best content that I can with you, and I can't do that if I'm not being inspired by my own content myself. So my love for sewing and sharing all of that with you is still at the heart of what I do, and none of that is going anywhere. But I'm just realizing now how much I enjoy sharing more of other aspects of having a handmade lifestyle and a handmade wardrobe and everything that comes with that. And so I wanted a name that could grow with me, that reflects not just my sewing but also who I am personally as a creative person. So after a lot of thought, a lot of brainstorming and getting some really helpful feedback from my lovely Patreon community, I'm really excited to reveal that my new name is going to be Made by Sally. I love the simplicity of this one. It feels much more me, much more minimalist. I feel like it's searchable, I feel like it's friendly, or I hope it is anyway. And I really love the new more minimalist look of my sort of brand colours and my banner, and I really hope that you do too. So I want to just reassure you again that all of the content that I always love to share with you is not going anywhere. I will still be sharing all of the sew-alongs, the sewing days in my life, the sew and tell videos where I share what I've been making and my works in progress, the pattern roundup, the sew the trends. They will all be staying. But I do feel as though under this new name I'll just have the sort of creative freedom to share a little bit more of myself and of my own creative lifestyle. I can't tell you what a weight off my mind it is to be able to finally share this with you. It probably doesn't seem like a very big thing to you, but there is something really, really scary about doing this kind of change as a creator, I think, because you're always worried that people won't be able to find you, you're worried that maybe people will drop off, you're worried that you won't be searchable anymore, maybe you won't be relevant. All of that has been going through my mind, and I've been struggling and going back and forth as to whether or not I should just stick with my own brand and carry on, or whether or not I should change. But I think the thing is, you can't you end up just not being able to sort of constrain yourself. There does come a time when you need to change and grow. You can't be the same person forever, obviously. All of us change and all of us grow and all of us develop. And I'm really excited to share this new journey with you. So I just want to say thank you so much again, as always, for being here, for following me, for supporting me. I know some of you have been here from the very first days of Secret Life of a Seamstress, and I cannot thank you enough for being here for that long. I'm so grateful for all of your support, all of your watches, your likes, your comments, your subscribes, your follows, and everything else, and all of you over on Patreon as well. I'm just so grateful to have you on this journey with me. I can't wait to keep creating and growing under my new name now. I am so excited for upcoming autumn content, and if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, then you might want to do so, because from Sunday I'm going to have a 4-week Get Set for Autumn sewing series coming up on my channel, where I'll be sharing lots of Sew the Trends videos, all the upcoming colours and textures and fabrics that you can expect to be seeing as we go into autumn, and lots of sewing pattern inspiration as well, and I cannot wait to get into that with you all. So I'm going to leave the video here now before I waffle on too much, and just say thanks again for watching. Please do let me know in the comments what you think of my new name and my new branding. Please do be kind. I know that not everyone likes change, but just know that this needed to happen for me personally. But yeah, I'd love to know what you think, and I'd love to have your feedback, and I really hope that you will stay with me as we grow and develop together. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care, and I'll look forward to seeing you at the weekend. Bye.